Hello everyone, I'm back again. Today I'm here to let you know about water intake which is needed for our body. There are no breathing techniques today, no body stretching, just some information about water intake. So normally our body needs 3.5 liter of water, so approximately let's say 12 to 13 glasses of water. So how you are going to drink that much amount of water? Or do you drink actually that much amount of water? And if you are, then when do you drink? Normally we drink when we are thirsty, isn't it? So how we are going to drink that much amount of water? So once you are awake in the morning, start with 1 glass of water. Then when you are having your breakfast, try to avoid drinking water while having any food. If it's too spicy or something like that, you can have, but not like 1 or 2 glasses of water. So then after breakfast, give gap at least about 2 hours, and then drink 2 glasses of water. Then obviously it's lunch time around 12:30. Have your lunch, and then again give the gap of 2.5 or 3 hours, and around 3:30 you can have again 2 to 3 glasses of water. And after that, just again give a gap around let's say 30 minutes or 1 hour, and you can have your snack, because then dinner time is around 7:30. Absolutely, you will be hungry by that time. So after drinking 2 3 glasses of water, you can give gap of 1 hour and then eat whatever you want. And then anyway it's dinner time. Before dinner time, if it's possible, drink 1 glass of water, and then after 30 40 minutes you can have your dinner. But I recommend after dinner, if possible, do not drink 1 or 2 glasses of water. Otherwise daytime is absolutely perfect to drink as much as water. So water shouldn't be too cold or too hot. Warm water is absolutely okay. Don't take bottle directly from the fridge, and don't drink it. It's not good for body. It feels nice when you drink directly from fridge, but it is surely not at all recommended for the healthy body. So this is about water intake. How you are going to drink it? Are you going to stand or are you going to sit? Okay, the answer is you have to sit down and drink the water. Especially children, they come home, they are thirsty, they are tired, and they just come and start drinking water. So just let them know, sit for at least 15 to 20 seconds and then drink water, and then go to play or whatever you want to do. So this is about it. Warm water, drink while sitting. And amount of water what I recommended, you can increase as per your body. Basically, if you drink 2 to 3 glasses of water as soon as you are awake in the morning, will be beneficial. But start slowly and gradually. First just 1 glass, then go to two, then three, then in between breakfast and lunch you can have 3 glasses of water. Then in between snack time and lunch you can again have 3 glasses of water. So likewise, almost 11 glasses of water we drink in a day. And avoid snacking in between. If you are having snack and then having water, then your system, the whole body system, has to work again and again. So avoid snacking in between. When there is time to have snack, have it. So if there is this kind of discipline, it will be really really beneficial for your body, and not just physically but mentally and emotionally as well. You will feel so stable, relaxed and comfortable. Okay, so that's it. That's about your water intake. Next time, let's see. I'll go with some exercise or maybe some information about yoga. Okay, thank you so much. Stay fit, healthy, happy. Thank you so much.